Hello, everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm Ollie. Hello Sonia, what's our topic today?
Today we're talking about IELTS versus TOEFL comparison. Many students get confused about which test to take for university admission, immigration, or work abroad. Both are English proficiency tests, but they have differences in format, scoring, sections, and acceptance. We'll compare them clearly so you can decide which one suits you better.
Good topic. Many listeners ask about this. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our podcast.
Yes, and click the like button. It helps us reach more English learners.
Please share with your friends and family too. Okay, Sonia, let's start with the basics. What are IELTS and TOEFL?
IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It is managed by British Council, IDP, and Cambridge. TOEFL stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language. It is managed by ETS in the USA.
Both test reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Both are accepted by thousands of universities worldwide.
Now, let's compare point by point. First, test format and delivery.
IELTS has two versions, academic for study and general training for immigration or work. It offers paper-based, computer-based, and sometimes face-to-face speaking.
TOEFL IBT is mostly internet-based on computer. There's also TOEFL Essentials for shorter version, but IBT is the main one. No paper option in most places.
Duration, IELTS about 2 hours 45 minutes. TOEFL IBT about 3 hours.
Cost similar, around $200 to $250 USD, but varies by country. In Pakistan, both are available.
Next, sections and differences.
Reading, IELTS 3 passages, 40 questions, 60 minutes. Passages from books, journals, newspapers, vocabulary, and general understanding.
TOEFL reading, 3 to 4 academic passages, 36 to 56 questions, 60 to 80 minutes. More academic style, longer passages, vocabulary and context questions.
Listening, IELTS 4 recordings, conversations to lectures, 40 questions, 30 minutes plus 10 minutes transfer paper. Accents mainly British or Australian.
TOEFL listening, 4 to 6 lectures plus 2 to 3 conversations, 34 to 51 questions, 60 to 90 minutes. No transfer time, answer as you listen. Accents American, British, and Australian.
Speaking, this is a big difference.
IELTS speaking, 11 to 14 minutes, face-to-face with human examiner. 3 parts, introduction, 2-minute talk, discussion. Feels like real conversation.
TOEFL speaking, 20 minutes, 4 tasks on computer, speak into microphone and recorded. Tasks include reading/listening, then speaking. No human examiner.
Some people prefer IELTS speaking because it's more natural. Others like TOEFL because no nervousness with person.
Writing, IELTS Task 1, academic, describe graph, map, or process, 150 words. Task 2, essay, 250 words, 60 minutes.
General Task 1 is letter. TOEFL, integrated task, read plus listen plus write, summary/response, 20 minutes. Independent essay, 30 minutes.
IELTS handwriting or typing, computer version. TOEFL always typing.
Scoring.
IELTS band 0 to 9 overall, each section 0 to 9. Half bands possible, 6.5, no negative marking.
TOEFL, 0 to 120 total, each section 0 to 30, no negative marking.
Acceptance, IELTS more popular in UK, Australia, Canada, and Europe. TOEFL more in USA, but now both accepted almost everywhere. Over 11,000 institutions accept each.
Validity, both 2 years.
Difficulty depends on person. IELTS speaking face-to-face can be easier or harder. TOEFL integrated tasks need good note-taking. IELTS vocabulary general, TOEFL more academic.
Which to choose?
Check university requirements first. Some prefer one. If you like face-to-face speaking and British accent, choose IELTS. If you prefer computer test and American English, choose TOEFL.
Many universities accept both now. Prepare for the one available or cheaper in your area.
Both test real English skills. Good preparation works for either.
Thank you, Sonia. This comparison is very helpful.
Thank you too, Ali. Listeners, are you preparing for IELTS or TOEFL? Why did you choose one?
Yes, please go to the comments and tell us. For example, I chose IELTS for UK University, or TOEFL is easier for me, or which one do you recommend?
We really want to read your comments. It helps everyone decide.
And remember, choose the test that matches your goals and strengths.
Exactly. Prepare well whichever you take. Thank you all for listening. You are wonderful.
Take care, study hard, and good luck with your test.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Ali.